Hello everyone, my name is Santhosh from second CSE. Today my topic about break and continue statements in Java. It is a basics of fundamentals in Java. How break statement used on how continue statement use. Coming to topic, break and continue statements. We discuss about introduction to break and continue statements. There are three types of control flow statements. In the three type of control flow statements. First one is decision making. Decision making. Second one is looping statements, where we are to insert any logic or any repeating twice and iterate something. Looping statements. There are for loop and while loop and do while. These are the statements. These are the loops. After the third one, in that we say branching statements or jump statements where we want to break it or where we want to exit from the loop by the following some conditions, by applying some conditions. Branching statements. It is our topic, and next, what is break statement used to exit a loop prematurely. It can apply to loops such as for, while, do while, and we have to if these break statements are applied in decision making statements with the help of if. For example, if we are using if is a decision making statement, we using break statement, and in some cases we using while loop also at a time do while loop also. First we considered for loop initialization, where it is starts from 0 or 1. Condition, it may less than or greater than. Update, where incrementing or decrementing. These are the for loop syntax where we follow. And when execute, it immediately terminates the loop and transfer control to next statement after the loop. It is what's again switch statements. These are come under only decision making statements in the nested loop, switch loop, and again switch case. In this case, we use this is the case, and we apply any code. By following this course, we use break statement. Break, we entire code will be terminate and enter into second case, and defaultly this three cases or some n number of cases not satisfied, then by default our code is executed. And again while loop, in that we using condition where we want to use it. At a time it used to condition where it is exit, where our break statement use. After that, uses of break statement. Now we discuss about for loop, while loop, and switch cases, nested loop, search operations. It is useful to when we want to exit a loop or switch case early. Okay. Next example. If it is complete under Java topic, having on class, creating a class, break based example. In that we using main method like a static void main string arguments. Here we creating array with name numbers. In that we having some array elements 5, 12, 23, 35, 42, 56, 67. Our target is 42. By it is enhanced for loop, using it is integer num and numbers. It is a integer data type. It is a numbers what we use. Here num is equals to target. If our number is reached to target, it break statement and come out of the loop. Our element is 42. Let our 0, it is 0, it is 5. 5 is compared to target element 42. 42. It is wrong. Again, it check condition after 12, after 23, after 35, until 42 reaches, and where 42 is equals to 42 is equals to 42. Then our if loop is if statement is exit, the system out println it prints the number, target is 42, the number 40 is found. It is break statement. Here some comments are exit loop immediately when the number is found. Again, it in case there is a completion, it shows search completion. Our output is number 42 search completion. Here is now we find that this 42 number. That's why our println statement we are displaying search completed. After that, continue used for we are iterating some elements until we want to skip or we want to exit from one element or one case only. On that time we use continue statement. A continue statement used to skip the current iteration of loop with remaining will be executed or displayed. Instead terminating the loop, it moves to next iteration by just by inserting one condition. Just at that moment it skips and remaining elements are displayed. This allows specific condition to ignore while still process the rest of the loop. Here the uh, one example or one syntax how the uses and it how continue statement used. After that, continue statements are ideal for filtering out certain values during iteration. They can simplify the complex loop by avoiding nested condition statements. This can improve code reliability and maintainability. Example where it is a class name continue while example, a public static void where num starts from 0 until here having some 0 is less than 5, it incremented, and again start the loop. Again 1 is equals to 1 is equals to 1 is equals to 3. It is wrong. Again first in case 0, after 1, after 1, again 2. In case of 3, it is skip 3. Here 3 is equals to 3. It enters into the if statement. System print skipping plus number. Skipping plus number is whatever number is here. That is 3. 3 continue. It skips. Again in enter system out print number is found. Number 1 is printed. In this case, we are printing every number. In this case, number 2 is printed, and that one is here print every number whatever is done. Okay. Here in case the statement whenever it trues, then only the statement is printed. After that, it twicely or repeating statement until less than 5. If num is less than 4, until they printed until 5, and here displays number 5. This is example for continuous statement. After that, differences, functionality, affecting on loop, users in loop, switch case, and best use. We are using some common mistakes or will leads to difficulty to code or logical errors. Misplacing break and continue leads to unexpected loops and it goes to infinite loop. We finally conclude that break and continue are powerful tools for looping controls. Mastering these concepts, enhancing program efficiency, clarity. Explore further by practicing with different loop scenario in our preferred languages. Thank you for the giving golden opportunity.